Makauta ngaphandle ngeparole ngelicala lekubulala njengoba waboshwa nga-2010 wakhululwa ngemuva kweminyaka lemithathu. Lenvodza leneminyaka lengama-36 iboshwa ngalesithathu ngemuva kwekunqanaki secwayiso semaphoyisa.
Mr. Makaula, the current charge against you is malicious injury to property. The state and your attorney for this matter will be remanded for further investigations. I believe I agree to understand that involves them envisaging adding other counts, other charges to 25 March 2022.
Isengakatiwa imbangela lesehlakalo njengoba kucace ukuthi seyamene inesehlakalo sekushiswa kweParliament.
Once the investigation process progresses, we'll be in a better position to tell whether or not this is a political motivated act or it's just an individual act, and whether or not it's linked to the Cape Town one. Investigations are ongoing, but at this point we don't have information that suggests that this case is linked to what happened in the Western Cape.
Luphiko leteshushiswa kwemphakathi NPA luthi lesendo lesendeke kulesikhungo sahulumende sikuhlaselwa kwemthetho walelive.